Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Chantel's Home Cooking. Today I will be making steak tacos. Here I have some thin cut sirloin steaks. Before we get started, guys, do not forget to hit that subscribe button, thumbs this video up to like it, and share, and hit the bell to be notified whenever I post a new video. Let's get started. So this is how thin you want your steak to be. Okay, so let's rinse our steak off first. So I'm using a sharp knife and I'm going to cut my steak into strips. Guys, do not forget to read the description below. You will find important information about this recipe. And note, whenever you do not see the recipe directions in the description below, it means that the recipe is available on my food blog, and I will leave the link to my food blog for you guys, and you can also check out more recipes on my food blog as well. And I will be cutting up the entire pack, so excuse me. You want to make sure that every strip is a good size width. Stay tuned. Okay, so what I have here is the minced garlic, ground ginger, teriyaki sauce, and you're going to need some steak seasoning. So, and parsley flakes. So you want to mix all of this together with your hands. So I am about to stick this in my fridge and allow it to marinate for the next 10 or 15 minutes. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, so the beef sirloin has marinated. I let it marinate for 12 minutes. I have my onions and my bell peppers here. So let's allow this to cook until your meat turns brown. And you want this to fully cook. This is how I like my steak. So it's up to you how long you want to allow this to cook. But you at least want your steak to be brown. Stay tuned. So I wanted to share with you guys a neat trick. So I bought the tortillas large, so this is not the size I wanted. I wanted them to be smaller. So here's an easy way to make them smaller. So you want to fold your tacos halfway, then you fold them again this way, and you're going to use a sharp knife, and then you take the knife and then you cut them just like this to make them smaller. So I have 3 tortillas. So okay, so that was really easy and simple, and it did not tear from folding, so we're good to go. And okay, so also I will have avocado as well for my steak tacos. You guys do not have to use avocado if that is not what you like to use. So you simply just cut around, and this is all you do to open the inside. Okay, and pop the seed out. Okay, let's check on our steak, and it is completely done and looking very delicious. Yummy, yummy. So I will be using spinach leaves, with mine. You don't have to use that. If you want, you can use shredded lettuce or no lettuce at all. And you can also omit the avocados if you would like to. Also, you may slice your avocados, cut them into cubes, or turn it into guacamole. So there's 3 different ways to do your avocado. So I have a lemon, or you may use a lime, and you want to squeeze it on your avocado. I decided to cube mine. So I just took a half a slice, well, a quarter of a slice, and squeeze all the juice. So guys, I did not like the way the limes looked in the store, so this is why I opted for lemon. So any type of citrus will do, the lime or the lemon. So next up, we are going to toast our tortillas, because that is how I like mine. So, and it tastes better to me as well when you do it this way. Stay tuned. Let's toast our tortillas. I just simply have a skillet, and you want it to get hot. And all you do is just place each tortilla on each side. You want to wait until it forms a bubble, but do not allow this to burn. So do not have the heat really hot. This is the easy way to do it on your stove top. So it should be below medium. So like I said, you're going to toast each side. You want to flip it. Once it's done, you will know, because it will be browned on each side. So I like mine lightly toasted. So I want to let you guys know that I am in the process of rebranding. Do not forget to read the description below for the details. So that was 2 minutes, okay, on each side. So I will do this to each one of my tortillas. Okay, so let's prepare our tacos. So I have 3 tortillas for my soft shell taco. Just nice and hot. Let's see how that looks. So right now, so what I really wanted to do was place these at the bottom. However, I forgot, so that you guys can be able to see how it looks. So I'm going to just lift it up, put some spinach leaves at the bottom. Now, for beauty, I recommend putting your lettuce or spinach leaves at the bottom base, and then you put your steak on top of it. Simply removing because I messed up. Alrighty, and now put that back on top, guys. So this is a part of my healthy recipes playlist, guys. Now this is also a part of keto diet as well. So you want to take your avocados like so and place them on top. You guys closer so you can see what I'm doing here. Okay. So, this is how I like mine. This is optional now. I have some Lite Ranch Dressing. Put that on top. So yes, guys, I do have the label cover because this is not a sponsored video. Therefore, I recommend light dressing, okay? You don't want the dressing with all the high fat in it. At that point, then you're going to take away the point of it being a healthy dish, okay? So, this is the finishing product. Do not forget to hit that like, share, hit the bell to be notified whenever I post another video, and I will see you on the next video. Please read the description for the recipe directions, etc. below. Thank you for watching, and you all have a blessed day. Bye now.